You know, you have a cat bed. Do you not want the cat bed? Is that what this is? You want the regular seat? Oh, you are so weird, it is hilarious. All right. Welcome to Connecticut, everybody. It may look cold and overcast, but it is well hitting 90 degrees right now. It's a hot day. Hot, muggy, moist, wet, sticky in Connecticut. We have not gotten far enough north or east for it to cool down quite yet for us. But we're in no hurry. I want to have some fun in Connecticut today, so we are going to peruse around, see what kind of trouble we can get into. Okay. I haven't spent a whole lot of time in Connecticut, guys. Just a couple times. What? That's right, the Pez Candy Factory here in Orange, Connecticut. I forgot where I was with that Pez Candy Dispenser Museum. That was not in Connecticut. That was somebody else's like private collection, but let's go see if they're open. So it's $5 to get into the museum, which they give you a little lanyard ticket to take through. And that includes $2 off of the gift shop as well. But started in the 20s. Any of you guys ever collect these old Pez dispensers? Look, there's Santa and Mickey, Winnie the Pooh and the Smurfs in 1984. Yeah, this place is massive. There's their sports collection, animal collection. They got the Hall of Presidents Pez dispensers. Yeah, Hobbit, Lord of the Rings, Snow White, Star Wars. Yeah, and the Disney collection of Pez, Toy Story. There's Tomater. There's Wile E. Coyote and Roadrunner, and Yosemite Sam. There's Jerry and Tom. Yeah, it's kind of kid themed, but I like it. Ooh, Star Wars. Those are Pez dispensers? Holy cow. Oh, that's awesome. Look at those. Woo. Oh, this store's cool too, because if you have your dispenser and you just want to come in, you can get whatever flavor you want right out of this and pay by the pound to fill your containers. That's cool. There's a prototype Colonel Sanders Pez and Yoda. Here's part of the factory. I know the building outside looks like it's just like a museum or something, but no, they actually do make Pez here, and this is where they do it. Another look at their warehouse in there. And of course, there's an entire upstairs too. That's cool. The Pez chopper. Oh, I see Superman and Darth Vader Pez in there. Wow. They have a giant grasshopper Pez dispenser there. A fun little stop. I don't know how I passed right by the big Pez dispenser that's there greeting you. Maybe I was just looking at everything else, but that thing has got to be 20 feet tall right there. Don't know if I want a magnet or a dispenser. I'm going to look around a little bit, spend a little bit of time on the way out, and I'll show you what I get when we get back in the ORV, which has the air conditioner on for Jax. I got some goodies, guys. I'll show you what I got. I can't see anything. My glasses are completely fogged up. It's so hot in Connecticut. Neat, fun little stop in there. I got Mickey Mouse Pez dispenser. I probably have not had one in like 25 years or so. And then I got some stuff for somebody else in there. Fun little stop though. Not quite as bad as, say, California, but we're getting up there. I'm paying $3.29 a gallon, and I'm about down to a quarter tank, so this one's gonna hurt. This one's gonna be well over $100 bill right here. I don't know if it gets any easier here in the Northeast in the summertime. Just a bullet I'm gonna have to bite if I want to enjoy this, and I don't want to be back home right now anyway, so this is fine by me. Yeah. You're so funny, Jax. You're so funny. You can't make up your cat mind. And there it is. Look off to the left, guys. I don't know if you can see this, but I am looking at ocean water. Yes. This little particular spot is not friendly to RVs, but I have an idea. My idea is to reverse all the way down to the end of this lot. And yes, I have to pay to park here. Residents get this for free. Out-of-towners have to pay. I guess that makes sense. The taxpayers should be able to park for free. Yeah, that makes sense. But this way I can have easy access out of here when I'm ready to go. this is significant for a few reasons, guys. I'm gonna walk on this sand and we're gonna go down to the water and have a little chat. But as you can see, the caramel color of the sand here. So do you guys remember when we started the Lincoln Highway tour some 3.5 months earlier? We went to a body of water, the Pacific Ocean in San Francisco. And I reached down and touched the water and said, it may be a while till we get to see an ocean. And indeed it was. And for someone like me who loves the water, I'm really looking forward to finally touching down to this beautiful Atlantic Ocean. And boy, that water is really, really warm. That's scary warm. But this is like a little inlet here in New Haven, Connecticut. Seriously though, that's the warmest ocean water I've ever felt. Okay, it is a little bit cooler out here away from the side of the sand, for sure. There we go, guys. Atlantic Ocean, beautiful sight. Not like the white sandy beaches of Florida necessarily, but hey, I don't want to be down there this time of year anyway. We'll wait for the winter time. They have lifeguards at this beach as well, 3 of them. You don't see that too often at the oceans where I'm from. No. Now here in New Haven, Connecticut, I know several places like Texas claim to have invented the hamburger, but this place is actually legit. I have heard that Louise Lunch, established 1895, is the true home of the hamburger, guys, right here. And you can kind of tell by the old structure, that's why. And they are flat out packed in there. Yeah, standing room only. Despite the importance of that place, I just don't have it in me to sit there and wait all day for a burger, so I'm gonna try something different. Now, no, it's not the original hamburger. It's got nothing to do with the original hamburger. The line was a lot shorter here, and I'm just gonna make it work. No, you're lactose and chocolate intolerant. Excuse me. Excuse me, you already ate. Yeah, you already had lunch. It's my turn. Wendy's does make good burgers, though. They're not that good. They're not that good. I was kidding. They're good. And just like that, I'll bet nobody watching this has ever seen one of these. This is an old glassed-in retro traffic control tower. Yeah, you can see it says Middletown that way, Hartford that way. It's got the traffic lights on it. Someone would sit up there in the control box up there to direct traffic. Waterbury 6A, Middletown that way. Isn't that strange or what? I don't think it's a replica. I think it's actually quite original. And here it says Meriden's traffic tower, erected 1925. So that's an old piece of nostalgic history right there, before the times of having electric traffic lights and processors and everything. It would have to be manned, and he would probably have to flip switches. It'd be really cool to go up there and see what it looks like, but I mean, essentially, he's just monitoring all the traffic coming and pushing the buttons to turn them on for whoever's there. I have never seen one of these actually preserved. I have heard about them. Now, this one here in Meriden operated from 1925 all the way up to 1967 before they had an automatic version of it. So pretty cool history there. Before I forget, I showed you the Pez dispensers, but I didn't show you the magnet. I did get a Pez Visitor Center magnet to add to my collection. So put that guy right up there above Lincoln. I think this is the first Connecticut rest area I've ever been to. I remembered this time. Once I got parked, I took my sunglasses out and put them on the hood so they adjusted to the humidity. Yeah, welcome to the hot and humid Connecticut Welcome Center. I need a map. I have never gotten a map. Well, bummer, but there are no Connecticut maps at this Welcome Center. That's okay. I mean, I'm not going to be here too long. Okay, here we go. So in the Northeast, you don't have RV dumps. You have sanitary dumping facility, which appears to have a blue-handled drinking water faucet here, too. Thank you, Connecticut. You rock. Let me amend that. Yes, they have a free dump station here at the rest area right there. But over here where I thought was drinking water, on the opposite side, so you'd fill it up and think everything's good, but on the opposite side, non-potable water. I don't know, I just feel like other areas would have a big, huge sign saying, do not drink. Now this one, you might miss. I didn't miss. I'm not gonna fill up water here. I appreciate the free dump station, and technically speaking, that water probably, the water itself is probably fine to drink. It's just that, for whatever reason, the piping or something that they used to transfer it from the rest area up there to down here has caused it to go. Really? Service engine soon light just came on. I thought maybe it was waiting to, it has been a long time, guys. Let's give her a check here. Codes found. 1. Read codes. P0175 System 2 Rich Bank 2. Let's go ahead and erase that. And see if that one comes right back. That's strange. System Rich. I have never gotten a System Rich code. Remember, before the mass airflow and the injector problems, it was always used to get the system lean codes all the time. So that's new. The light's off now. See if that one comes right back on or stays off for a few hundred miles. I don't know. Connecticut, you did not disappoint today. We are going to end our day on a very quirky note, guys. 3 suspended. Are those Volkswagen Rabbits, I think? I think so. No? Those are Yugos. Oh. Yugo. I'm not familiar with a Yugo, but they've got 3 of them here. Guys, this place is called Wild Bill's Nostalgia Center. It is closed right now. I have no idea what it is. Here's a neat little beetle in concrete with a skeleton. Really, dude? Weird. But even though the inside's closed on a Wednesday at 3 p.m. in the middle of the summer, there's still some stuff to see, like a couple old Volkswagen vans. That may be a nice little camper to live in. Wild Bills, thank you for coming. So, oh my gosh, can you guys see Castle Field over there with the horse and the castle? It says tickets. It's a creepy clown. Look, there's a purple cow right there. And another Volkswagen bus. Stay cool. Yeah, I'm trying. Wild Bill's Cosmic Circus. It looks like aliens to me. Okay, Pokemon. Interesting. So, although you could just walk in here, I'm not going to, because they are closed. There's another sign right there saying we are closed. It's really too bad, because that just looks too interesting. Funhouse, records, and books. Oh, and a haunted house back there. Look at that big claw castle, and another clown up there. How you doing? Oh, it's so strange, guys. Some more artwork along here. Dracula, Frankenstein, Wolfman. And you creepy clowns. Let's see, why are they closed? Oh, they're only open Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Oh, that's too bad. Oh my gosh, Wizard of Oz? That's awesome. This place is so colorful and beautiful. Marilyn Monroe riding a unicorn. King Kong. Creepy clowns. Oh, it's just crazy. A Volkswagen Beetle sticking out. I wonder if that's Wild Bill up there. Probably is. Look at this. Woodstock? Whoa. That's amazing. So yeah, Wild Bill's here. You might want to check this place out if it's a Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. Now, we're nowhere magical right now as far as parking and going to do some urban camping for the evening, blacktop, but we're working our way up that way, right? So the farther I get up north into Massachusetts and possibly New Hampshire or Vermont, and eventually up in Maine before the summer's over, hopefully, you know, there's a lot more neat campgrounds up that way that I found in my research that I'm really looking forward to, well, Jackson and I doing a little less of the type of stuff we did today. What I mean by that, I liked today. I have fun looking at quirky stuff, but I don't get as far when I make stops and try to share stuff with you guys. You know, and I get really excited sometimes up in the driver's seat, and I'm like, no, I got somewhere to go, no, this is too cool, I gotta share this with the world. Because, you know, if it's interesting to me, I feel that other people will find it interesting. So there's the Eric and Jack's traveling around looking for quirky, neat, fun, or historical things, and then there's that Eric and Jack's find a really neat campground near the water, and we just relax, and it's a much slower paced couple days. I bet the videos also feel a little slower paced as well. I'm looking forward to that right now because Lincoln Highway was crazy. It's pretty crazy. Bye, guys.